So I'm going to quickly show you how to add more drainage into your pots. So the first thing that you can do is to add some crocks or broken pottery to the bottom of your container before you fill it up with any more soil. This just makes gaps in the soil so that the water can drain out the bottom easier. And now I'm going to put a little bit more compost in, and then I'll show you the next thing that you can do, which is just adding a little bit of potting grit to your mix. So I've put a little bit more compost in here, and then I'll just show you how I add the potting grit. So I tend to do, for every 3 or 4 scoops of compost, I'll do a scoop of grit. So I did about 6 scoops of compost, so I'll do 2 of grit. And it's just a general horticultural potting grit, so it's not very thick, it's quite fine. But what that does is it just breaks up the compost a little bit. And then I'll just give that a mix. Okay, when you've finished mixing, it should look a little bit like this. And that is the main way I like to add drainage to pots.